Good afternoon, everybody. I'm with Alex, and today doing something a little different. We're scouting for a spot to do some bushcraft camping in the future. So I'm not camping tonight, but we're up in an undisclosed location in Utah. Gonna do our best to find a rock formation that we saw on Google Maps. So that's the plan. We've been at it for what, like a mile so far?
Yeah.
About a mile of bushwhacking. It hasn't been too bad, but knock on wood, currently covered in all kinds of seeds and stuff. But it's all good. We're gonna keep it going. Kind of cool, kind of spooky, kind of fun. Not sure if this is what we saw on Google Maps or not, but it's all good. What do you think, we cross it up here?
What'd you say?
Do you want to cross it?
Yeah, let's pop on it at the very least.
Yeah. Okay, so we made it to our rock slide area that we were looking at, but we're gonna continue down. There should be a creek that way. Okay, so we have left the talus field behind, and we are now in search of a flat spot to camp. Obviously we're on a hill, so there's some challenges involved with that, but I figure if we walk around long enough, might find something cool that's worth coming back to. So one of the cool things about doing stuff like this is you're always going to find these game trails anywhere where things kind of flatten out, which is what we're trying to find too. So as we follow the game trails, a lot of the time we're able to find little nooks and crannies that lead into, safe spots. For example, right here, you can see there's some dung. Looks like old deer, maybe mule deer. Right, they probably bedded down in this little cove at some point. So we got to find a cove for us to bed down. Okay, so this is the first spot I found that's moderately flat here. You can see not a ton of space, but we're kind of thinking of coming back during winter, in which case there's a little bit more snow to kind of pack down everything, and it's not bad. It looks like I'm over here, uphill. It's okay. You can come take a look if you want. It's like moderately protected. So you see, this is a pine tree of some kind, and what's happening is the tree is blistering, and so it's just collecting sap all along, and that is killer fire starter. You get that all over your tinder, you're gonna be so golden. Also, it smells amazing. Right, I think we probably could dig. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we could get in there a little bit. But it looks like, this looks like it could have been a bed for a deer or something to me.
Right, fairly matted down.
And this is just a natural little wall already close.
Yeah, tons of down trees. We got the big one there.
Yeah.
This is a good spot. Yeah, I think this is the best one I've seen so far, as far as like natural usage.
I bet we drop our packs.
Oh, no way, dude. That's so good.
Nature's bounty.
Dude, they're perfect.
They are perfect.
Those are so good.
There's more too.
Oh wow, yeah.
So,
Dude, heck yeah. So we were checking out another spot that we found. A bit of a trail here. And this is more than just, hey, more than just from animals. You can see that's human, right? That's human. So maybe not the ideal spot. Oh well. Very nice. All right, so we decided on a spot and getting ready to head down. We got a good stick and make some food over the fire, do a little bit of fishing. Just keep exploring, should be good. Let's go.
go.
I think this probably was the path. We're back. I neglected to film any of it, but got a fire going with a old flint and steel. Took a minute, but wasn't too bad. So I'm gonna get that going, get some coals, and we're gonna start cooking up.
That's actually not a bad.
Wow. It's understandable too. I feel like there's a lot of people that get sick and go home because they like got sick because they were, gutting an animal and then
Right.
ate it. You'd be at a restaurant and he was like, he was trying to meet me, but if he was struggling, like reach out. I take the food off of his chopsticks with my chopsticks and eat it. All right. How was dinner?
Fantastic.
So good. Steak and veggies always is just the best. So, yeah, we found our spot. We had a good dinner, and now we're just gonna head that direction, find the car, and call it a day. So, thanks for watching. Much love.